Okay, students, now that you have watched the video and completed the warm-up, today's objectives. In this session, you will identify the difference between gross pay and net pay. Second, identify the components of earning statements, pay stub, that affect net income. Third, calculate the net income after removing taxes, benefits, and other deductions. The net income activity is attached here to Schoology, so please download it and then email it to me right after you complete it, okay? When you're working on it, you might want to pause this video, watch it again and pause it, because the definitions will be given here. Okay, so we got four key terms. First term, employee. An employee is a person who works for another in return for paycheck. Income. Income is any money earned or received. Gross pay is the amount an employee earns before any taxes and deductions are subtracted. Earning statement. An earning statement is a document that shows an employee's wages and deductions that are withheld. Okay, so how much did you earn? Here's an example, okay? So you are a food server at a local restaurant earning $8 an hour. You worked 20 hours last period, okay? Select the question mark to explore your earnings, okay? So you're making $8 an hour, you work 20 hours, your current income is 160. So the total income is the gross pay, okay? Gross pay, that's a key word. Gross pay is before taxes, again, before taxes. So before taxes, you got paid 160, but that is not the actual amount of money that you get to keep. Total deductions. Deductions are things like taxes and stuff. So let me read what it says here. The total deductions for this pay period, not shown on this statement, could include voluntary paycheck deductions and mandatory withholding of taxes. Voluntary deductions may include things like insurance, saving plan, deductions for other amounts like paying for a $40. Let me scroll this down. Like paying for $40 for uniform. Mandatory withholding taxes are determined by your gross income and information from your W-4 form. Withholdings. Withholdings is the amount an employee withholds or removes from an employee's gross earnings during each pay period. Withholding amounts include taxes and voluntary deductions. W-4 form is a tax form established by the IRS that determines how much money for taxes to be withheld from an employee's paycheck. Net pay is the amount of money an employee receives after taxes and other deductions are removed, also known as take-home pay. Okay, so here is an example. Select each question mark to understand Jada's income, deductions, and total net pay. Okay, so this is an example. So again, total income this period is $2,640. Jada's gross pay is the total amount of her current income. On this statement, Jada has $2,257 in her regular pay and $8,250 in deductions pay. In vacation pay, I'm sorry. The total of these two amounts is, I didn't get to read it, is $2,640. Okay, so here's the total income. The deductions go here. Total net pay this period. Net pay is after taxes. So Jada's pay is $1,798.64. This is the amount calculated after subtracting the total deductions. So the deductions, I know it's blank over here, but it was $841.36. That includes taxes and stuff like that. From the total income of $2,640. Okay, so now what I would like for you to do, oh, by the way, net monthly income is the amount of money. Here it is. Let me read what it says. Is a person's pay on a monthly basis. So the net monthly income is the person's net pay on a monthly basis. So here's an example. YTD means year to date. So here's the year to date gross income. Here's the deductions. Here's the net pay after the deductions. Okay, that's for the whole year. But if you look here at the check stub, for this period, it was 2,640. The deductions, we've already said it was 841. So the total net pay is 1,798. Let's answer these two questions. How many paychecks will Jada receive per year? So Jada gets paid, it depends. Let me click on the answer so I can show you. Jada will receive 2 paychecks per month. Okay, so she gets paid every 2 weeks. So it's 2 paychecks per month, 26 paychecks per year. 52 weeks divided by 2 paychecks per month. To find the NMI, multiply the total net pay by the number of paychecks per year, then divide the number of months of the year 12. What is Jada's NMI? So just do those steps and that'll tell you the amount of money, the net income for the year. So now what I want you to do is I want you to complete the activity, okay? The activity that is attached. If you have any questions, please email me. I'm always here to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.